DB Army.
What's up, everybody? This is Armada DB. Tonight I'm going to talk about my product, Seromax. It's a growth hormone product. It's a no BS product. It works. I know a lot of people out there think, supplements don't work. Seromax works. So I'm going to let you know what growth hormone is. A lot of people ask me what's the difference between my product Dominate and Seromax. Dominate's testosterone. It's a completely different hormone. So Seromax, it's a growth hormone product. What does growth hormone do? It increases your appetite, it increases lean muscle mass, it increases bone density, it increases your tendon strength, it's great for your hair and your nails to grow faster, your skin complex, overall energy, great sleep. So with my product, the side effects are it can make you a little hungry and it makes you sleep well. That's a good thing. And some people, usually the women, they get a little bit of water retention, but after about 3 or 4 days, it goes away. You would get it the same way if you're taking prescription growth hormone because it gives you a water retention. So basically, what growth hormone does, it So first off, it burns fat. So let's say the first couple months you're burning fat, and then after that you start building lean tissue. So something like Seromax or even prescription growth hormone, which people can't afford, it would be a couple $1,000s a month. This is only $100 a month. You're able to eat more foods that you like, and you're able to eat more calories to build muscle and burn fat. So once you start Seromax, you're going to learn that you're going to start burning fat at first, and then after that, you're going to start building lean tissue. You're going to have huge pumps. You're going to feel full all the time, and eventually you can work your way up to 2 pills. I currently still only take 1. I took 2 when I was getting ready for my little short/photo shoot competition, and I noticed a huge difference. I mean, I was super full all the time, vascular, which was really awesome. So that's what it is. I get a lot of questions. What does it do? People are very confused. Seromax is growth hormone, human growth hormone, HGH. So it boosts your growth hormone levels. And what that does, people think of growth hormone also, and they think of like, oh, you're going to get huge and this and that. No, that's not what growth hormone does. It burns fat, it builds lean tissue. So the difference between anabolics and Seromax is that anabolics make the cells you have bigger. Growth hormone makes new cells. So basically that's what it is. And tonight, I mean, this is kind of stuff I eat every night. Right now I'm having a full pizza, and I love my fruit, so I eat that. So I don't eat clean at all. I'm also not competing, but without Seromax, I wouldn't be able to eat as dirty as this. I wouldn't be able to eat all these carbs at night and all this pizza and fat. So guys, check it out. You won't be disappointed. I know a lot of people don't like people plug their supplements and tell them what it's about, but this supplement is a very good supplement. It's the best MK677 product out there. I've got tons of people that are taking growth hormone products. They switch to mine. They're like, man, this is night and day. We love it. So try out the product and wish you luck.